Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open your document and place the cursor. Once done, click Home, right arrow Dictate, and allow the microphone permission so Word can hear you. Make sure to select the correct language and choose the primary microphone in Windows or Mac OS sound settings. This reduces errors. Say a short test sentence to confirm audio levels. You'll know it works when spoken words appear. Next, keep a clear voice and eliminate background noise to reduce recognition mistakes as you move into composing the content. Now you'll use voice commands to shape text and fix mistakes. Say punctuation like period or comma. Say new line or new paragraph to control layout. When you need to edit, say select followed by a word or phrase, then say replace with and provide the correction, or just speak the replacement. Make sure to use brief commands and pause slightly before long phrases so recognition catches context. If formatting is needed, speak commands for bold or italic, and then visually confirm changes before continuing to dictate. Finish by saying Stop Dictation or clicking the Dictate button, then save your work with Ctrl+S or File, right arrow Save. You should proofread the dictated text. Use Read Aloud to hear pacing and catch homophone errors. Make sure to adjust formatting manually if needed. If speech recognition stalls, check microphone permissions, input device selection, and internet connection, then restart Word or apply Office updates. As a quick tip, toggle the microphone off and on to reset the stream before redictating to avoid repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.